To install a double din radio in a 2006 Mini Cooper S, you got to kind of hack the dash. I had to cut the dash here with the heated controls and the window up and down, and over here. And then I also had to shave the heated control down a little bit over here. Sorry about that, over here. Over here. And this is what it looked like after I cut it apart. And this is where it was. I don't know if you can see that really good. That's where it was, not the wire here. Just like that, I cut it apart and kind of just let it hang here a little bit to give me room for the installation of the double din. Here's the radio all installed. The heater control and the window unit controller is moved down about, I would say about 2.5 inches or so. You won't be able to use your cup holders, but I really don't care about that. I had to get these brackets made up here. I just found some metal and cut 2 brackets to attach the heater control to the bottom of the radio. It fits in there very nicely. It's almost a perfect fit, actually. The radio came with these brackets over here, so I just screwed the heater controller right into that bracket with this brace I made. Everything fits up nicely. The radio works pretty good. It's a pretty cool radio. It's a Boss Audio BVCP9685A. It's an app radio for Android and Apple. Doesn't really matter. And I also installed the steering wheel controller. So that works pretty good too. So that's a pretty cool feature. I also had to cut into the side rails that covers the radio sides a little bit. And sorry about that. There's the other one. So it's a little tricky to get installed, but I'll get it installed and you guys will see what I'm talking about. But it's pretty cool. I got the radio installed already. Everything's working. I'm not going to reinstall the radio sides that I kind of hacked up. It works pretty good. They go in like that. You got to kind of finagle them into the this little thing here, but it works. I'm going to start with the right side. I think the left side has a little bit more room. Here's my double din Boss radio all installed. Heated controls and window controls a little lower. The cup holders become a little useless, but I'm not too worried about that. But I got my double radio in. Also, I have a backup camera that I installed. Everything looks pretty good. As you can see, I had to mod the side rails of the radio quite a bit to get it in there. But that's the finished product right there. Thanks for watching.